Wandering beach walk encourages the spirit of discovery, allowing people to discover hidden gems and enjoy the beauty of the coastal landscape. Antibes Beach, located on the Mediterranean coast in the city of Antibes in the Provence-Alpes Côte d'Azur region of France, is a great destination for lovers of the sea and pristine sea air. The beach is located between Cannes and Nice, famous for its fine white sand and clear turquoise sea, creating a picturesque image. When stepping foot on Antibes Beach, visitors will be fascinated by the majestic natural beauty and peaceful space. Smooth white sand lies along the beach, creating a wonderful picture for strolls or relaxing afternoons. Antibes Beach is not only an ideal destination for beach vacations, but also a wonderful picture of French culture and prosperous lifestyle on the Riviera. This is a place immersed in luxury and elegance, making every trip to Antibes a memorable experience for visitors. Girls swimming at Antibes Beach, France, are like gentle flowers blooming between the white sand and calm ocean waves. The gentle sunlight penetrates through the hair and smooths the rosy skin, creating the dreamy image of sea fairies. In exquisite bikinis, the girls experience freedom and pleasure when immersed in the clear blue sea water. Sometimes, they enjoy the small waves like light music, and their bright smiles shine like rays of sunshine. Antibes Beach is where they find harmony with nature and enjoy peaceful moments amid the vast ocean space. The girls at Antibes Beach are not only beauties immersing themselves in the sea, but also representatives of confidence and charm. They often enjoy the coastal space with sports activities such as kayaking, windsurfing, or simply enjoying the fresh sea breeze on the sandy beach. Wandering beach walk emphasizes the importance of connecting with nature, encouraging a deep understanding and respect for the coastal environment. The elegant country of Antibes Beach, France, is famous not only for the stunning beauty of the sea but also for the style and elegant spirit of its people. From the moment you arrive, visitors will immediately feel the elegant and respectful atmosphere here. The French in Antibes Beach often demonstrate elegance through respectful behavior and traditional cultural features. The beach is not only a place to relax but also a space that represents the luxury and symbolism of the Riviera lifestyle. Visitors often encounter courteous interactions, along with the hospitality and courtesy of the locals. Wandering beach walk emphasizes the importance of connecting with nature, encouraging a deep understanding and respect for the coastal environment. Antibes Beach, France, is not only a wonderful beach destination but also a paradise for those who love beach walks and sea travel. Beach Walk 4K and Beach Walk Tour 4K videos on social media platforms often recreate the enchanting beauty of this beach. The high-resolution images impress us with stunning environmental landscapes, from smooth white sands to clear emerald waters. Beach Walk 2023 at Antibes Beach is not just a tour, but a journey to enjoy peace and tranquility. Alone beach walk videos often capture images of tourists strolling on the beach, enjoying privacy and interacting closely with nature. Bikini Beach Walk is often a source of inspiration for fashion lovers and shows confident beauty in the seductive sea space. Girl Beach Walk brings cuteness and dynamism, creating an atmosphere filled with joy and freshness. Vlog Beach Walk helps share great experiences with the community, from exploring unique areas to enjoying local cuisine. Beach walk videos are not only a source of entertainment but also a window to discover the beauty of the sea and the sophisticated lifestyle of Antibes Beach. When talking about France, we cannot miss the wonderful vacations, walks on the beach or the unique culture and friendly lifestyle of the French people. Please register to have more experiences. ! People at Antibes Beach often show respect and elegance in all situations. Life here takes place slowly, enjoying every moment and often finding beauty in the smallest things. Friendly smiles and warm looks create a friendly and close atmosphere, making each visitor feel like they are being welcomed like relatives. The walk promises majestic views, showcasing the natural beauty of the beach and the fascinating sights of the sea, creating a lasting visual impression. Antibes Beach is not only a famous tourist destination in France, but also a symbol of peace, sophistication and a fresh lifestyle. The meaning of Antibes Beach is not simply about the beauty of fine white sand and clear blue sea, but also about a comprehensive travel experience, immersing yourself in culture and majestic nature. The walk promises majestic views, showcasing the natural beauty of the beach and the fascinating sights of the sea, creating a lasting visual impression. Vacations to Antibes Beach, France, are more than just trips. They are wonderful journeys into the unrivaled beauty of the sea and the luxurious lifestyle of the Riviera. From the moment I stepped onto the smooth white sand beach, I was captivated by the atmosphere of immersing myself in fresh nature and the majestic bay. This experience creates a peaceful atmosphere, providing an opportunity for people to relax and connect with the serenity of the marine environment. The resorts here are often designed with luxurious architecture, combining modern amenities and traditional French style. Spacious rooms often have sea views, giving guests a feeling of relaxation and peace. The lush green grounds, saltwater wading pool and fragrant flower garden create a unique and enjoyable living space. The Wandering Beach Walk is consistent with sustainable tourism principles, encouraging responsible tourism practices to preserve the natural beauty of the beach for future generations. Antibes Beach in France is a pearl stretching along the Mediterranean coast, featuring clear blue sea water, creating a delicate and mysterious picture. When the gentle sunlight shines down, the seawater here sparkles like a precious gem, inviting visitors to immerse themselves in serenity and tranquility. Click the subscribe button to not miss other interesting and useful videos from our wandering channel. Don't forget to press the like button if you find this video worth watching. We'd love to hear from you, so leave your comments below in the comments section. Sincerely thank you for your support and companionship with our wandering channel. Remember to turn on notifications so you don't miss any new updates. Thank you very much everyone, and see you in the next videos.